Good morning, friends. It's morning, I'm still sleepy. But I would like to work on the Trans Am today. Yesterday, like you saw, I replaced the fuel tank, a lot of fuel hoses. I also replaced the fuel hose to the carburetor, this one here, and I replaced the fuel hoses to the fuel pump. I think I was showing you that yesterday, and I think now the fuel system is clean and done. What I didn't show you on video, I replaced the AC compressor, I replaced the AC hoses here, and also that thing, however it's called. And yeah, I hope I will get the AC work when everything else is done. So for today, I think I will replace the brakes. I have the brakes right here, or new parts right here. Nice Porsche, by the way. I have new brake discs here. I have new brake pads, and so I will do that work today. So what's more to say? Yeah, some of you guys may think how I work doesn't make sense. I replaced some AC compressor, which isn't important to get the car on the street, but the fuel system I do after, and now I do brakes. But there's more important things to do right now, and the main problem is about the parts. You know, in Switzerland or in Europe, you don't get parts for these cars, and so I need to order stuff on Summit Racing or Rock Auto, and some parts I need to order at eBay or in eBay. But the problem is, sometimes you have a shipping time over weeks. It's crazy. I'm waiting for the carburetor kit, and this one takes forever. So I'm waiting just for parts, and now I replace or I repair what I can repair, and to the other parts I just wait. So let's go to work and do the brakes. there's a quick update for you. The brakes will not be finished today. Maybe you saw that I replaced the rotors. I have them here. The old ones look pretty rusty, and the old bearings. I think they have not too much mileage on it, but they are just old. And here we have the new rotors. Look great. Here I had to heat the brake hoses a bit. That I can untighten everything. That's done. That's good. But I also had the idea to repair the calipers and take the pistons out, and I did. But it turned out I have the wrong parts, and so I have to order them new, and because I'm in Switzerland it will take another week or two until these parts are here. That means that car will be on the lift for this time, and now I think I will try to replace the rear discs, rotors and pads. So brakes are done finally on the rear. Like I said, on the front I need to do, but the rear is done. Just need to change the brake line or replace the brake line or brake hose. And but beside of that, that was a terrible work. I don't know. It's something really easy, but this time I had a lot of trouble, but finally it's done. I'm happy, and so I'm so done. I can tell you. For today, I think it's enough of work. Hi to you. Today I'm working on the car again. I already replaced the front brakes, made the calipers, and I forgot to make a video, but we can take a look, if it's possible even to see. The brakes are new, and also the brake hose or brake line, that is done. And now in this moment I replace the rear shocks. And this is a bit annoying because before I can go to the street with that car, I need to do a check if it's street legal or not. And in Switzerland, everything needs to be very good. And I saw the rear shock. This one is leaking oil, and this is not good, you will not get a pass with that shock. And so I need to replace. And I have the idea to put a sport suspension on it. But before I spend $1,000, I would like to make that street legal check. And so I just ordered some not so expensive shocks. Gabriel Ultra or something like that. They was pretty payable, and so I will put in that shocks first, and when I get a pass, when it's street legal, maybe when it has new paint, I will make or I will replace the suspension again and also the shocks and do something nice in it, maybe Hotchkiss or Detroit Speed or something like that. But now let's replace the rear shocks, or one of them. It has a bit. Yeah, it works a bit. But yeah, not too well, you know? Seems to be the original one. So if you want to buy, very cheap. It will be unbelievably street legal with that one. Good. Made in Mexico. Good. Is it good? I don't know. I think a lot of these parts are made in Mexico. Can you tell me if they are good or is it bad? I don't know. New shocks. Great.